Welcome to CAD/CAM learning tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you exercise number 4. Okay. This is the sketch using the line command and circle command. This is the line command and circle command. In this and normal. These three commands also used in this tutorial, and one of the also how to set this display in a background in a black. Okay, so all the feature in this tutorial I will show you. Okay, this is the drawing. Okay, see this, take this picture, short screen for a draw purpose. Okay, see this, take this picture, and here two circles are inside drawing. 43.2 the bigger circle and the smaller circle is 25.2. Okay, and the height distance is the 24. Okay, and this circle height is a 43.2, and this is the origin. You will take this side, otherwise you will depend upon your choice. Okay, so x distance is a 43.2, and then smaller circle distance is x is 100.8. Okay, and then total is 114.0. Okay, and this height is 52.8 and 38.4. Okay, and then this is the chamfer. Okay, how to apply this chamfer? Okay, so and how to apply in a symmetric. Okay, so let's see in a Creo. This is the Creo. Okay, first go to and open the new file. Okay, take a moment. Here another file is open. This way. Okay, cross this, and then first how to display the option and how to apply the color background, change the color. Okay, so go to file, then option, then system color, then here. Okay, dark background. Okay, and then here click on OK, this way, and then apply new, then part as usual. Okay, then go to sketch, take any plane, sketch, and hide the plane. Okay, no need to plane, so click here and hide the plane, and take a line. First see this. Okay, so try to draw. Okay, so take a line this way, and then click here, then click here and this way, and then close it. And then how to execute this command? Select this. Okay, this way you will execute this command and define the 1 by 1 dimension. Okay, go through normal and first point, then second point, and then click here. This dimension is a 114. Okay, don't worry, rearrange this diagram. Okay, as usual. So first you will define this dimension. Okay, this dimension is a 52.8 52.8. Okay, this way. Why this problem are creating? Because you need to first take a center line, and then here is the M is the represent for midline, and take this center and then click here, double click. Okay, and then define this dimension as usual, double click, and then this dimension is a 52. Okay, 52. And how to apply the symmetry? Go to here, symmetry. What is the symmetry? Make a 2-point or a vertical symmetric about a center line and create a symmetric constant. 2 center point are there, and click this line. Okay, so apply this symmetry. Select first point, second point, control press, and then middle button, this way. Okay, symmetry will be applied, and this height is also equal. Okay, so apply the relations. Okay, equal, create a equal length and equal radii and equal dimension or same curvature constant. Click this line and select this line, equal. Okay, this way, and then apply this dimension. First see this. Okay, this distance here to here distance is a 38.4. Go through normal, click normal, first point, second point, then click here, and then apply 38.4. Okay, this way, and arrange the dimension as per your drawing. Okay, and then the 52, and this dimension is a 114. Okay, see this. Okay, and then shift plus mouse middle button and then move this your object, otherwise resize this. Okay, and then take a circle here, draw a circle bigger, and then here is a smaller. Okay, and then mouse middle button 2 times click. Okay, and then take a as usual normal. Here height is, this circle height is 43. Okay, 43.2. Put the 43.2, 43.2. Okay, and this distance is 43.2. Okay, 43.2. Okay, and then dia is 43.2. Okay, this way, and arrange the dimension as usual. Correct, and then this circle is 25. Okay, so apply 25, click, and then put the value 25. Diameter is 25, and height is, your height is 24. Okay, 24, put this value 24, and then here the dimension is here to here, this point is 1108. So click on normal, this point, this line, and this, click on this point, and then click double here. Okay, and then define the dimension 100.8. Okay, and it's fine. 43. Okay, it's 25. Let's see, I think height is 20. 5 24. Okay, and this dimension is taken 43. Okay, 100.8, but you will take, as per not drawing, you will take 85. Okay, this way. Okay, and check the your all dimension 52.8 is, it's okay, and then this dimension is a 38.40, it's fine. This dimension is a error, so due to, okay, it's fine. Center is 43.20. So all the dimension are okay. This dimension are not here given, so apply this dimension. Okay, so first point and then second point and then double click. It's not correct. Apply once again. First point, then second point, then apply here. It's not. So how to apply this dimension? Take a reference line. Okay, take reference line as usual. So this way you will take the dimension. Okay, click first point, go through the normal, click first point, then second point, then double click. Okay, and then how to write this text? Click on the text and then click here anyway, and then write here. Okay, okay, then how to change, how to rotate this word? So click here and go through rotate and resize, and then apply this 180 rotation. Okay, and then okay, and then this way you will resize. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more video in a Creo parametric